in your computer, the shortcut for KLearn Gateway will be available in your desktop for easy access to our training portal. On double-clicking the KLearn Gateway shortcut, the training window will open. Customer Care interface is incorporated into the KLearn Gateway, as you can see here. This will enable you to communicate with our tutors anytime during the training program. When you click on this button, and if you have Skype installed in your computer, a voice call will automatically be initiated to our tutors through Skype, and you can initiate voice or video chat with our tutors. Alternatively, you can mail us or telephone us using the email ID or telephone number provided here. Also, we communicate to you through the announcement panel as well as daily tips panel here. You need to enter your user ID and password in the KLearn Gateway to sign in into your training program. Once you are signed in, you have to click on Table of Contents button to see the curriculum of your training program. You can see the major modules of the selected course on top of the training window. For example, let us take a look at the major training modules of our Advanced Medical Transcription Training program. The modules are Technology, English, Medical Transcription Theory, Language of Medicine, Medico-Legal, and Transcription Practice. We use rich multimedia content for easy learning and understanding. All the modules in our training program are placed sequentially. That is, you will be advanced to next module only if you finish the first module successfully. We have also incorporated the 3-tier evaluation system into our training program. Let us look at this into the detail now. For demonstration's sake, I am opening the English module. The first sub-module here is Basic Grammar. The first part of this sub-module deals with sentence, subject, predicate, etc. Once you finish this part, you will be given a small quiz to check your understanding. If you give the right answer, you will be allowed to move to next part. If you give wrong answer, the system will automatically take you back to the subject area in which you have made the mistake. You need to go through the subject area again and come back to the quiz and complete it successfully to move to the next part. This is the first level evaluation system. Once you reach to the end of the sub-module, there will be a small exercise which will prevent you from moving to next sub-module unless completed successfully. This is the second level evaluation. Finally, at the end of each module, there will be an examination which will determine whether you are eligible to move to the next module or not. Let us now take a look at the different modules of Medical Transcription Training program one by one. The Technology module provides you the details of various aspects of computer and its accessories and its use in the medical transcription. English module, as mentioned already, covers the basics of American English and its usage in medical transcription. MT Theory deals with medical transcription report formatting and related theory. Language of Medicine is the module where you gain knowledge about medical vocabulary and its use in medical transcription. We cover all the body system extensively in this module. You will also transcribe system-wise files in this section. Each body system covered will have theory exam as well as practical examination. You can progress to Medico-Legal and Transcription Practice module only after successfully finishing the final theory examination in LOM section. Automated feedback mechanism for transcription files is the highlight of our LOM module. Automated feedback mechanism eliminates the endless wait for tutor feedbacks in conventional medical transcription training programs, and this also helps in learning the emphasis. In Transcription Practice module, you will be exposed to definitely 5 types, namely consultation, discharge summary, history and physical, ER reports, and operative reports. To our virtual classroom sessions, our tutors will guide you through the training program, and you will also be given opportunity to interact with industry experts through it. We will bring the best out of you through the indigenous training method we are following. Following are some of the Kalearn advantages. Number 1. Time-proven training methodology. Number 2. Training done with aid of advanced technology. Number 3. Curriculum in line with industry standards. Number 4. Highly structured training programs. Number 5. Hand-holding through virtual room sessions. Number 6. Experience of having trained and placed more than 3,000 students during the last 6 years. Number 7. Certification by government in Kerala undertaking